Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge your JBL Tour Pro 3 above 50% and take them out of the case so they can enter pairing. On your PC, turn Bluetooth on in Settings devices and make sure Windows updates and optional driver updates are applied. If your PC lacks Bluetooth, plug in a USB Bluetooth 5.0 adapter and wait for driver installation. Once done, put the earbuds into pairing mode by holding the touch zones until the LED flashes. Now perform the pairing. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and choose Add Device, then Bluetooth. You should see JBL Tour Pro 3 listed. Select it and allow Windows to pair. If a PIN appears, accept the default or enter 0000. Most Windows PCs handle this automatically. After pairing, go to Sound Settings to set the earbuds as the default output and check the audio profile. Choose stereo for music or hands-free if you need microphone access. Make sure volume is up and not muted. If Bluetooth gives trouble or you prefer zero latency, connect the JBL Tour Pro 3 with a USB-C cable to your PC. It should appear as a USB audio device. If pairing still fails, update the Bluetooth adapter driver, restart the Bluetooth service in Services, MSC, or reboot the PC. As a final troubleshooting step, reset the earbuds by following JBL's reset sequence. Return them to the case. Press and hold the touch areas per manual until LEDs flash, and then reattempt pairing. This resolves most persistent connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.